Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are going to understand the line properties in AutoCAD. So here in the ribbon we have a property sections of the lines. By layer, if you open this, you can change the colors of lines, and then if you want to change the thickness of the line, here you can select any measurement. So it is called a line weight in AutoCAD. In the properties section, third tab is type of lines. Here by default you have only two type of lines, by block and continuous, but you can also load other type of lines by pressing others and then load. Here you have a different type of lines in engineering drawing. So what type of line you want to make? Let us suppose you want to make a hidden lines. Here we have a hidden lines. Okay, and you want to make a center lines, then we have a center lines here. So let's make a figures and we will understand with the help of figures what is the importance of this. So I make a small figure, a random figure, and I just want to make that the vertical lines should be red and the horizontal lines should be blue. So I will select the all the vertical lines here and go to the tab of by layer, and I will select the red color here. Once you select the red color, the lines change to the red, and in the same way the horizontal lines, I want to change it into blue color. I will select all the lines, go to the tab, and that is a blue. So in this way you can change the colors of line. And the next is thickness of the lines. So let us suppose I want to change the thickness of vertical lines up to some extent. So I will select all the lines and go to the by layer tab, and let us suppose I want to make it 0.50 mm. Once you select it, it has been changed, but it is not visible right now. The reason being is in the toggle buttons downside, here we have a show hide line weight tab, which is presently off. Once it is on, by clicking left click of the mouse, you can see this, your thickness has been shown. It means if you want to show your line weight, your this tab should be on. In the same way, let us suppose I want to change the horizontal lines thickness. Just go to this one and I just want to change it 0.70. So once you make it 0.70, it will be changed. Now, what is the importance of types of lines? Now I make a circle by default, any radius, and we all know that there is a center in the circle, and when lines passing through the center of the circle, it is always a center lines. Now go to the by layer tab, go to the others, because here we don't have a center lines. Just go to the others and here load and select the center lines here. Okay, so you can select anyone. I will select 5x and OK, and then again OK. Now you can see here your center line has come over here. Now you just select these lines, both of the lines, and go to the by layer tab, by center. You can see this, your lines has been made. Here we have a match properties section. What is this? Match properties means, let us suppose in this figure your vertical lines are red. I also want these vertical lines blue. So just go to the match properties. Once selected this one, in the command line bar it will ask you select source object. Source object is your blue line, because I want to convert red into blue. So I will select this one. I will select this one, it will comes to blue. Once I select this one, it is also blue, and this is also blue. In the same way, you can also change the types of lines. Let us suppose I want to make this center line. So I will go to the match properties. I will select this center line now and go to this one. See this, your line has been changed. In this way, your line has been changed. So in this way, you can change the types of lines, line weight, and colors of lines. So students, this is the line properties in AutoCAD. I hope you understand this video. If you have any query, you can comment in the comment section. Be happy. Thanks for watching.